I want to welcome y'all to Start Building Your Dreams, the channel that's got tractors, tools, and trucks, and a little bit of DIY. We're working on a 2008 Chevy Tahoe. This thing had a major power steering leak. We've already pulled the power steering pump and the alternator out. There's a bracket here held on by 4 bolts, as well as a hidden bolt back here on the back side. Disconnected the alternator, disconnected the power steering pump, took the lines off. The lines run from the rack and pinion up to a cooler back here. You can see where the lines come out. This line here is still in good shape. We're gonna leave that one where it is. And then we're getting ready to pull the rack and pinion. In order to pull the rack and pinion, you gotta remove your tire. This is my DeWalt impact driver level 3. Zip this nut off, put it back on, hit up with a hammer, and it came loose. Do the same thing to the other side. Over here we've got the new rack and pinion. And that's what the new one looks like. So it's gonna be a 1-for-1 swap. Underneath the vehicle, you can see where it was leaking. We gotta remove these 2 bolts. There's a bolt through here and bolt up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So you remove 4 bolts and you can drop the rack and pinion right out. So the rack has 4 bolts. 2 large are torqued to 148 foot-pounds, 2 small ones have 74 foot-pounds. Reconnected the alternator bracket, reran the serpentine belt, connected up the steering shaft. Also went with a new power steering pump while I was in there, and all new lines. You do need a specialty puller to remove that pulley off of the power steering pump. And then reconnected the tie rod ends to the steering box, and here we are. Let's go for a test run. Nice enough, no leaks. A couple of things you'll have to do is bleed the system, and then you'll also have to go get an alignment. You can try to get it close with a tape measure, but you are going to put the wheels back on, and those get torqued to 140 foot-pounds. All right, thanks for watching. So you guys get to watch me build my dreams. True purpose of this channel is to motivate, inspire, and help you guys get out there and start building your dreams.